So what we have here is a setup with a Rhino window open, sample Rhino setup with a robot, and a sample script. If we look carefully at this script at the top, you'll see that it includes a link for Food for Rhino. If you have to go there and download the Grasshopper plugin called Robots. There is also another way that you can install that plugin, which is in the Rhino viewport. If you type in Package Manager, you'll get a window that pops up, and you should be able to search for robots. It will go out on the internet. It will find the software. What we want to install is robots and also robots extended. Do not install robot components. Once you install these, you will need to restart Rhino and Grasshopper. If for some reason you have trouble with the package manager, then the other way to install it is to go to Food for Rhino, start your own account, search for robots. You may have to go to the next page, but you should be able to find it. Looks like it's on the second or third page now. Yeah, here it is. So once you click on robots, you will scroll down. It will ask you if you are using Rhino 8 or Rhino 7. Those are the two supported versions of Rhino. If you have a previous version, if you have like Rhino 6, then we may not be able to work with robots at this point. Assuming you're logged in, you can follow the installation instructions when you download and click on these links. So that's pretty much it for installing robots. You will know that you have it when you see in your Grasshopper menu the word robots as one of the plugin menu items. And my icons are not very visible. I'm going to have to change the color of the background, but you'll see all of the icons for using robots with your computer. The first thing that we'll have to do as soon as you download and install robots will be to add a library. So you will see in my sample script that I have a Grasshopper component called LoadRobot. You will search for, and this assumes you're on the internet, you will search for a folder called Universal Robot, and you will install that library. Once you do that, then, sorry, let me get this back up here. Then you should see all of the different robots that that company makes. The one we have in the lab is the UR10e. So once you have that, you should see the robot simulated in your Rhino viewport, which is the blue machine that we have here. So if you don't see the robot, it means you haven't loaded the library or you haven't selected the correct one. The next thing we're going to do in the following video is to understand how to attach a tool to a robot arm and what that means in terms of the software.